We are witnessing the age of the entrepreneur, the age where technology is driving change, unprecedented amount of information is available at our fingertips, and people feel empowered to bring their ideas to life. This is also the age of the investor. After all, where would an idea be without smart capital? However, as an investor, you might find more and more of your time being spent on filling spreadsheets about the vital statistics of the companies in your portfolio, on your radar, the founders, the market opportunity, various analyses. Being manual, this process is naturally error-prone. Why not let smart technology take care of this problem? Meet Zanapto. You start by simply importing your contacts and your information into Zanapto, and then let us do the hard work. We scour the internet for accurate data about the founders and the companies you're interested in, what stage they are in, what synergies they might have with companies in your existing portfolio, potential market opportunities, investors who have funded the company before, history of the founders, all the information that you need to make a sound and timely decision. In short, Zanapto makes managing your portfolio and pipeline way easier than you ever imagined. It frees up your time while giving you all the information you need in one easy-to-use app.
We help you by gathering the data for you and present it to you in a way that makes more sense, and give you the tools to sort it and filter it and make the right investment decision for you.
Begin to get that feel that I'd like to do this. Oh yeah, that's easy. I can just click this button and the magic will happen. And I think that's the feeling I'd like people to have when they use Zanapto, that it looks incredibly simple, but behind the scenes it seems to do an awful lot. But because it's intuitive, because it just works naturally and it just feels natural, it feels easy to use.
The Zanapto database contains information on over 750,000 companies and founders. Your data will be kept private and available to you only. You can forward emails to Zanapto, and you can filter your contacts in any way you choose. And while we develop and test the premium features on Zanapto, you can use all the current features for free, starting right now. Did you know that in the last 12 months alone, over 250,000 people made investments in startups? Zanapto is uniquely positioned to be the default integration tool for this market, helping solo investors and heavyweights alike.